HotMamaTravel! Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, HotMamaTravel. I wanted to bring you guys a packing tips video, and I recently found footage that I had shot actually 3 years ago and never posted, but the tips are still relevant. So I thought, hey, what the heck, I will use it. The kids are really cute and little. It was when Kent was first born, so it's kind of fun to see how our family has grown. And I will insert any new tips as well that I have picked up along the way. But today I just wanted to share with you some of my favorite packing tips for large traveling families. So enjoy!
It's Amanda, Keely, and Kevin, and this is HotMamaTravel. But today, instead of our traditional travel videos that we usually put on our channel, we are going to share with you our packing tips. We are a multi-generational family, and we travel with our children in addition to my parents, their grandparents, which makes us a little bit more creative when it comes to packing for our travels. The more we travel, the better we do get at packing more efficiently and lighter. We are going to be packing all 5 of us in one suitcase to be checked at the airport. So in addition to our travel tips, you're also going to see us get us all in one suitcase.
The first tip is you're going to plan early because if you miss something, then you can have enough time to go back and get it.
I like to pack at least a week before. As you're packing, you're going to realize that you may need some things and you'll have enough time to go get that. Plus, you want to make sure everything's washed and ready to go inside your bag. The second tip is we like to make a list. I need a visual of the trip in order to pack for all of us and coordinate the outfits. Coordinating the outfits is totally optional. It's something I like to do, and I think it looks great in pictures when you're a little bit color coordinated. So I do like the list for that purpose. I also like to make a list of each day and night we have and the activities planned. So not only am I packing what we need for the trip, I am also packing lighter. I am not overpacking, which I used to do when they were little. And the more you travel with kids, the more liberal you get on what is a wardrobe changing mess. I used to pack outfits, extra outfits for every day of the trip for the kids. Now I only pack about 1 or 2 extra outfits for the whole trip.
All right, so then the list will end up looking something like this, where it's all organized by day of the week, and if there's anything special that day, I'll make note of it. Like Club Vision, I'll want us to wear something special that night, so I make note that I set that outfit aside, and then I will go down the list with each member of the family, putting down a day outfit and a night outfit so that I just have things separated and they don't get mixed up and I don't end up wearing something that I was saving for a special day on the wrong day. As long as I have those special outfits for that special event, then we are all good to go.
I also like to take that list and then I'll pack it into the suitcase, because then sometimes when you're on the trip, you'll forget what you planned for each day or what event you had already originally planned when you were relaxed and making the list. When it comes to the craziness of the trip and when you're in the moment, you just refer to your list and you're like, okay, this is the outfit we're wearing for today. It really helps with organization and stress management as well.
Lay all your clothes on the bed so you could see how many outfits you have.
This is where I like to see if we color coordinate on any days, and I try to put those outfits together because that's just, it's an optional thing. You don't have to do it. It's something I like to do. And so if I find that we all have a really cute outfit that has coordinating colors, then I'll try to plan it on the same day.
Try on your outfits before you pack them, because you don't want to, what if you packed all these clothes that don't fit you? Well, you can't blame anybody because you didn't try them on.
I want to make sure that they're comfortable, because sometimes when we plan trips, we plan ahead of time, and I start collecting wardrobes and outfits in anticipation for the trip. But sometimes the kids, they grow fast and they'll grow out of your outfits before you get to wear them. So you want to keep your tags on and you want to try them on, any new clothes, before you pack them to make sure they're comfortable and they like them before you pack them.
Yeah, but don't wear them too loose because your pants could fall down. Be considerate with what tightness.
Don't want your pants to fall down on the trip.
So your fourth tip will be always roll up your clothes. Not only will it prevent wrinkling, it also maximizes your space.
And that's how we're able to fit so many of us in one suitcase.
When I'm rolling, I do like to roll whole outfits together and then roll that as like a capsule. Keeps the outfit together and organized in a nice little package. If you don't have packing cubes or you don't have enough packing cubes for everybody in your group, rolling is free and easy.
Okay, so then once you have all your items rolled, I like to get the outfits ready in order of the days of the trip, going backwards and moving forward. So what I like to do is then lay out everybody's outfit in order of the day, and I pack the last day of our trip on the bottom of the suitcase. My last tip, weight your suitcase before you go. If you have it, you know, we all kind of have that scale in the bathroom that we sometimes or sometimes don't weigh ourselves on. I like to use that for one final check. After I've packed everybody in our suitcase, I like to just sit it on the scale to give me an idea to make sure I'm not overweight, because the last thing I need when I'm traveling with 2 grandparents and 3 children is an overweight bag.
For years, I only used the scale because that's all I had until I discovered this baby. This is amazing. It's called I got it on Amazon. It's the Sharper Image luggage weigher. So what you do is after you're done packing, you hook your luggage onto here and you lift it, and it'll tell you, it'll read how much your luggage weighs. So it's perfect for checking your weight of your luggage before you go anywhere. I have to, especially because I pack so many people in one suitcase. Really important that I make sure that we are within the weight restrictions. So, and it's so little and light, you can take it with you, because you know when you go on a trip too, sometimes you buy stuff and you bring more home than you left with. Definitely great to have, easy to travel with, and you can get it off of Amazon. I will put the link to this product in my description box below if you want to go pick one up yourself. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my packing tips and seeing the kids little again. I know I did. Please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe, because I have more fun family travels coming your way this summer. Bye, guys. Hey, guys, don't forget to subscribe and never miss another minute of the fun. And of course, we offer detailed destination guides and travel tips over at our blog, HotMamaTravel.com, to make your next family adventure hot.